In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide chat in Microsoft Teams during meetings. Navigating Microsoft Teams can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you receive numerous chat notifications during meetings. These chats can become distractions, hindering your focus and workflow. Thankfully, there's an effective way to manage this by simply hiding the chat panel. Let's dive into each step and make your meetings more productive and less distracting. Firstly, you'll need to join a Teams meeting. This seems straightforward, but if you've never used Microsoft Teams before, ensure you're logged in with your correct credentials and find the right meeting link or invitation provided by your organizer. Once you're in the meeting, Microsoft Teams will typically display a range of useful tools on the bottom toolbar, including your mic and video controls. Now, here's where the chat function tends to take center stage. During meetings, when someone sends a message in chat, the chat panel usually opens up on the right side of your screen, alerting you with a notification sound or visual cue. While this can be helpful for keeping up with Q&A or shared files, it can also become a continuous source of distraction, especially if you're trying to focus on the discussion or take notes. To tackle this, let's explore how to hide this chat panel. On the meeting toolbar, you'll notice an icon specifically for chat. It often resembles a speech bubble, and clicking on this icon serves as a toggle. A quick click can turn off the chat panel, making it vanish from your screen. Whenever you decide it's time to view the messages again, all you need to do is click the chat icon once more to bring it back up. This toggle feature offers a simple and effective way to control when you want to view chat messages. Additionally, if you look closely at the chat panel when it's opened, you might notice a small arrow typically located on the top right corner of the panel. This handy feature allows you to collapse the chat panel without completely closing it, offering a midway point. That way, if you just need some space but still want the option to quickly jump back when needed, collapsing the chat is the way to go. It's all about making minor adjustments to tailor your meeting to your preference. By controlling the visibility of the chat, you have a say over the level of distraction you experience. This lets you stay engaged and focus on what truly matters in your meeting without missing any essential updates in the chat. There you have it, a straightforward method to hide chat during your Microsoft Teams meetings. Remember, the goal here is to facilitate a smooth and productive meeting experience where you can choose when to participate in the chat and when to zone in on the discussion. This simple trick helps maintain a seamless workflow and ensures that nothing gets in the way of a successful meeting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip aids in enhancing your team's experience.